Guys, as you see, this is the responsive HTML website. This is the video and audio website. So as you see, we created a easy HTML and a little bit CSS website, which is responsive. This can work in also a mobile phone. So as you see, we can play this.
With new update, navigating your apps is smoother than ever. Check out these features.
We can stop. We can also play this one. So as you see, we created amazing things with HTML and also a little bit of CSS. So guys, we can play these songs. We can also play this one. We can also play this one. So guys, please make sure I've subscribed to this YouTube channel. This is MITECH YouTube channel. Please do subscribe. We do web development courses,